Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to create a 3D model of exercise 28. So let's start. Select the sketch tool, then select the plane, and next thing is we will draw this circle of dia 120. So circle, specify the origin point for the circle. Type the value for dia 120, then press enter. Next thing is we will draw this circle of dia 20 at the center point for the bigger circle. Okay, and next thing is we will draw each and every this circle or hole is of dia 10, so the total numbers are 18. Okay, so we will draw a circle on this axis, horizontal axis, at a distance from the center. So this circle is on this outer periphery of this circle. So this is PCD 40, means center to center distance on this circle will be 40. So the radius for this outer circle is 40. So this circle will be 20 from this center point. So now specify the value 20, enter, and make it horizontally aligned to this. Okay, similarly hover over this center circle origin and then place anywhere and create 10 dia circle. Next thing is specify the distance. So this is on 70 PCD circle, so 35 from center, and make it horizontally aligned to this circle origin. Okay, next thing is we will draw this one, and it is at the PCD of 100. So 10, 50, okay. So what we have now is we have a outer periphery and then circle at the center. Next we have here a 3 circle of dia 10 at a distance of 20, 35 and 50. Now what we have to do is we have to pattern it. Okay, so go to create, then select circular pattern. Next one is select, left click and drag over these circles and hold and then release, so these will selected at a once. Then specify the center point. Now specify the center point for the rotation for circular pattern, so this one. And then we have to specify the quantity, so the quantity will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 6. Okay, and then distribution is full since it is all over at the 360 angle. So click on this. Okay, so now we have here our 18 circles. Okay, equidistance means 60, 60, 60, 60. Okay, click finish sketch and exit from the sketch environment. And next thing is select the extrude tool, select the close profile, then specify the value 10. So this is value 10, and here we have our 3D model from this 2D drawing. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.